promise you got your eyes. Got you trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just at myself.
Hi guys, so this is what we're going to be working with. We're going to ensure that we actually trim all our nails down. We're going to be using our nail cutter, of course, just to trim everything down so that everything is nice and laid. And then we're going to go in and just file the surface area, and this is what it turned out to be. And we're gonna go ahead and just push down our cuticles like so. This is just to help promote your nail growth, of course. You know, the nails are ever growing. We're gonna do this for all the other nails. Just push them down, and this is what we're looking like. And then we're just gonna go in and just file any excess dead skin, and just go in as well and just remove those hidden dead skin on the surface. Make sure everything is nice and cleaned. Prepping is very essential. If you do prep your nails properly, definitely gonna get good results. And we're gonna go in and just use our nails and see which sizes. So we're just prepping and just seeing which sizes fits. And now we're going to just dehydrate our nails with a nail dehydrator. Let that dry a bit and go in with our glue and of course our nail. What I like to do is actually place glue on both ends, both on the actual nail and also on the stick-on nail, just to make the enforcement stick longer and just, you know, making sure it doesn't go anywhere and stays longer. Then we're just gonna press those nails down and hold them for a bit, about 30 seconds or so, and now everything else is done. So all the nails are nicely pressed on and they're holding perfectly well. We love that for us. And we're going to be using this nail polish. We're going for a coffee brown, but firstly let's lay our hand towel. Don't mind the stains, that's just acrylic and nail polish stains. So we're gonna go ahead and put on our glove because we are avoiding that UV light. It tends to darken our hands and also just harm our hands and dry them out. So yeah, we putting that protective layer on, and we just going to now place the nail polish and just give a light stroke, and this is what it looked like. We're letting that dry for about 2-3 minutes, and yeah, we now doing Frenchies on them when we're using a nude. And of course, these are just the two brushes that I'll be using. I'll probably alternate if there's need. And I've got my monomer there just to help me out with the cleaning of the edges of the nails and whatnot, and just remove product. Place the nude nail polish onto a lid or anything that you could use. I use one of my lunch boxes lids, and yeah, of course, dip your brush, your art brush, into the monomer just to soften the bristles and just giving it that soft glance, because remember they were packed away. Rub that excess off onto your hand towel, of course, and just go in until it's nice and clean and you're satisfied with it. And then you can now go in and dip into that nude nail polish and just gently with a steady hand make that French tip using your nude color. Just go in steadily, and this is what they look like. and we're just gonna dry that out. We're gonna go in and get our gold foil. I'm gonna put that on the ring finger because I like a bit of detail on there. It's always usually my thing, just to have a little bit of detail there on most occasions. So just grab that and just place it onto your middle finger or whichever finger that you prefer, adding a bit of detail to. In this case, it was the ring finger that I was adding a little bit detail on. I just pressed it down like so, kind of like breaking it down to a bit because it's a whole lamp, so you want it kind of spread over to make more like that effective pattern on it. So yeah, I was kind of breaking it down in this process and just removing any excess because I didn't want a lot of it, but I just wanted enough for the nail. And this is what it came out to be. I was very happy and satisfied. Now that we're done, we went ahead and put our top coat just to finish off the whole entire look. We're basically at the end of this, so if you stayed and watched up until here, thank you so much. Don't forget to leave your comments down below and let me know your thoughts on this. But this was a final look. Really love this. The shape, the color, the length, mar, it was just
Well, it's waiting half a step beyond our door.